Hello, friends. It's been a while. A lot's happened. This is pretty much the last touching up before we rip out carpets, clean, and move in.
He
And-
says sitting underneath a giant hole in a wall over there.
Yeah, no, that's gonna stay.
It's a design choice.
So if you want to pan around, camera lady, this wall here is done, and the main wall is done, which is the two that I did. Inside the stairwell area, when we go to do it, because it's the end of the month, and we're really getting burned out and kind of would like to just get anxious and move in. We'll just wall this off with plastic when we do that. We haven't done anything down in the basement, so any dirt and dust that goes down the steps is not going to be a big deal. So it's just going to be a matter of no big deal. And we're content with living with it for a couple of weeks. And I know everyone's like, oh yeah, that means you're never going to do it. It's going to be there forever.
By everyone, he just means me.
Yeah. So, yeah, Pepper. There's a lot still that's got to be done. The backyard, it's got to be worked on. The basement's got to be worked on. But the entire upstairs is completely finished. And the wife, if you ask her real nicely, might take you on a little tour and show you what we've done.
Painted that door.
What door? There's a door right there?
I painted it.
Yeah, it won't be there. We're going to be taking it out too.
Alright, so you'll have to forgive me. As I always say, I'm not as good as a cameraman as my husband. I have my kitchen doors lying on the sucky carpet drying. Some of them are in here drying. We finished painting cabinets, woohoo, and sealing. My really small refrigerator that I have to live with for a little while. We got, oh god, it was almost a half a day project, guys, to make sure not to hit my hand. See my new chandelier? Oh, I love this thing so much. We're over my dining room table. It is huge. It is bigger than we thought it would be in the space. And Grim and I have both already hit our heads several times. Okay, so my half a day project. My husband bought me a new dishwasher. And we sacrificed a cabinet space for it.
It was meant to go there. Perfect 24 inches.
And it took almost an entire day to install because he doesn't like to read instructions.
Hey, that's
But
not why.
once-
That's not why.
Once we got the instructions read, it took 45 minutes.
Shantae,
So that
you're
was
making
going.
me look bad.
So my cabinets are drying. And my beautiful wall my husband built, finished, I should say, insulated, ran electrical. My television's going up there. The mantle I painted. We cleaned up the brick. We were going to paint it, but I think we're going to leave it and just paint the fireplace doors because they fucking annoy me and I hate gold. The window wall is completely done now, guys. Oh my gosh. The front door. Oh, this wall. I've got a little trim work left, but I have to wait until the carpet is pulled up. Because otherwise I can't get all the way down.
I'm just going to be redoing it again anyways.
Hallway light. It is gorgeous. It is bright. It is LED. This is my daughter's room. This is where holding my living room chairs right now while we finish painting. I'm loving it. That sexy man beast.
Hey! And then take the camera away from me. Man, I'm buttered.
So this was the latest project, guys. This is my bathroom. And we ripped out the old vanity and sink. Ooh, I didn't even have to touch the light switch because it's on automatic.
I'm not done in there either.
Ripped out the vanity and the sink, and my husband bought me this for Mother's Day. My new kitchen vanity. And
Kitchen vanity?
or bathroom vanity. A beautiful oil rubs bronzed. I love this. Look, it even works. It didn't screw this up. I'm so excited. And this. I hate those little pull things back here. I love that. And my new mirror. Hi guys! and of course, wonderful, wonderful skunks. And they're a pink color. This used to be a really ugly gray, and now it's this Caribbean bluish green that I am obsessed with. He even did the little knobby thingy on the toilet in my oil rose bronze. Oh, God, I love it. And then I painted all the trim here. Bathtub, we still have to tile, but we kind of ran out of money. So that's another project for another day. We have the tile, we just don't have the cement board, the grout, or the whatever that other stuff is. My medicine cabinet, I guess, I don't know, the storage unit here. I have the door, it's the last thing that's gotta be painted, but I did paint all of the trim. All the trim, all of my doors are all nice and pretty. See, hallway closet, painted doors, love it. Son's bedroom, which was the first room we worked on, because he kind of had a cow. His new dresser is all ready in here, ready to go.
You're going to finish that, right?
I'm going to refinish this, if I can. I'd really like to refinish this, but I'm not sure if it's savable. The veneer is pretty bad in spots, so I'm going to do what I can, and if I can't, we'll paint it. But I absolutely, absolutely love this hardware. Love this hardware, and oh, I love this dresser. And his ceiling turned out absolutely fantastic, guys. Absolutely fantastic.
You're welcome.
He's really into Star Wars, so we're gonna do stars up on his ceiling in this beautiful, deep, dusky blue. My hall closet that won't be a closet for too much longer. It'll be a half bath for my room, which is no longer 3 different colors of green. It is now gray and white. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So yeah, that's the work we've done, and walking through it like this, it doesn't seem like a lot of work, but let me tell you, when you're the one doing all the freaking painting.
Well, they remember what it looked like if they watched the first video of the house tour.
Whew, guys, it's a lot of work. I don't know how people do this all the time when they flip houses. It's massive amounts of work. We even did a little bit outside. I don't know if Graham's shown you any of this.
I haven't shown anybody anything. I've been busy
My green
working.
door. My green door. You guys. I've always wanted a really super bright door.
There's a
It's
song called something about a green door.
It's always been a thing I've always wanted to do. So he planted our first apple tree for our living yard. We're gonna eat off of our 1/4 of an acre, as much as we can. I got another one over there. That's not going to be planted there. It's actually gonna be further out, but we got guys driving through here to deliver our wood chips in the back, so we can't plant it yet. We did chop down 2 smaller trees here, which is amazing. Big pile over there that's gotta be taken care of. My chair I'm going to refinish here for the front porch, and I think I'm gonna rip out all of this. It's not something I particularly like, and I can't get to my windows to clean them, which will annoy me. And if we go around back,
Are you giving them a backyard tour?
I'm gonna show them really quickly.
Okay, well, I'm going to do a more extensive tour later, so it's all good. Just remember, we are making it a homestead.
Kind of.
Yeah? Well, I can't dig if it hurts.
Okay, So back here, there's the cabinet doors we're not using, and the mess I made from stripping the cabinet doors, and it's already getting hot out here, you guys. The fence for my puppy, so she'll stay in the yard. I just gotta put it up. I have boxberries, which I love the color. And we've already planted a tomato, but there is all of our wood chips, guys. We do Back to Eden gardening, so I just got to get all of this cut up for firewood, and that put in the truck, and that's also going in the truck, and all of that's going in the truck. Lots of stuff for the truck. Hello. So yeah, that's it for now. Let's go back and Grandma will outro us. Are you coming or going, Pops? All right, you guys, that's it for now. I mean, we haven't touched the basement, so.
Hi.
Hi. So yeah, anything else?
Not really. There will be a video here very soon of the entire backyard and plans of what I plan on doing with it and everything. A little more descriptive, and that's pretty much it.
Yeah, I didn't even go into any of that stuff.
Oh, I'm getting popular.
So yeah, okay, you guys, we will see you later. I left my dog outside unattended with no fence, so I got to go.
All right, ciao.
Toodles!